Hello everyone, Russell Wright from Network Empire and ThemeZoom.com. Today I'm here with ThemeZoom architect and Network Empire CEO Sue Bell, and we're going to actually go through one of the most amazing keyword integration, website silo architecture, and WordPress empire building systems that has ever been available to the general public.
Thank you, Russell. All right, so we're going to start here with TLKT. We're going to create a project just really simply. We're going to use diet as the main theme, and I want to show you there you can use any language in any of these countries represented, but obviously we're going to start with states, and it just takes a few minutes for that to drill, and once it's drilled, we click through to the project, and you can see at this point we've got 257 keywords displayed on the screen. So that's a lot of keywords. I think we should have just a subset of these, the ones that are the most relevant. So I'm going to use our proprietary algorithm called Larry and just say that we want keywords that are thematically related or that have a Larry of greater than 60. All right, so that filter is going to kick in. It's going to give us the list of keywords. These are 88 quality keywords that we're now going to use to build our website. I'm not going to take any time at this point to actually try to discern which keywords are good or which keywords are bad. Domain Web Studio is going to tell us all of that. So we're just going to export this, save it to our desktop, go into Domain Web Studio, and quickly create an empire and then a project within that empire.
Wow.
So our empire is going to be diet. Obviously, we want to have the diet empire. We want to conquer this entire market.
Nice.
And we're going to add a site to that empire. Now, this site is going to be our money site. So we're going to name it Diet. Diet Now, just pick I don't actually have this domain, we just pulled it out of the hat. And then just enter a couple of comments so that when I come back to my screen full of projects, I know which project this is. So that's the Diet Money site. And then this screen is great. This screen is where you set up what you're actually doing with your business rules. And it tells us which keywords are going to make us money and which ones are not. Now, this is an affiliate project. I'm not going to make $100 per sale, so I decreased that to 10, and you can see all the rest of those numbers just fell into place.
Okay.
So now I'm going to import my keywords from TLKT, find my export and my long list of downloaded files.
So now you're importing right into DWS from Kraken,
right.
TLKT.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly, from TLKT.
Oh, there
All
they
right.
are. Okay.
There they are. So I've got my diet project selected up there in red at the top so that I know that these keywords that I'm checking on here are going to be added immediately under the top level of my site. So I'm just looking down the list and finding a few things that are good for the diet market, and I move those to Blueprint, and you can see now that they appeared over there on the left.
Yep. That's the website silo architecture blueprint on the left.
Exactly.
We're building
That's
it.
the starting to building.
Wow.
So we select diet plans now, and I'm going to go back down the list, and I'm going to just select a handful of diet plans that are popular on the market today. Remember, all of these keywords came out of TLKT. I just imported one list, and all of these keywords are being selected out of that. Oftentimes, if I'm doing something that's a little bit more niche-y, I'll do 2 or 3 drills inside of TLKT and bring each silo's list of keywords in separately.
Wow, it tells you right there if it's a silo or not. So you know
Yep.
know exactly what level on the website SEO silo architecture it is.
Exactly.
And they're green flagged.
Exactly. The green flags all the way over there on the right tell you that they meet all of your business rules.
And the money and the amount of inbound links on the pro version, and there's all kinds of stuff on here that just tells you exactly what keywords to use as part of your web structure. That's incredible.
We give you the number of supporting articles that you're going to need in order to be able to rank easily.
Wow.
And you can see there, now we've got all of our
Yep.
keywords there under Diet Plan Silo. Now this is one of my favorite screens because it helps you keep track of what your website looks like. You can see there that you've got your silos and all of your categories laid out. So I want to go ahead and create the next level down. So we're going to check off a few more things. We're going to move those to the blueprint. And then you're going to be able to see there my weight loss silo has fleshed out.
Okay, under category on the overview screen.
Yep. So now we're in diet foods. And I'm just going to go down and pick out a few more things for this particular silo. And and move them over to my blueprint. And that's 3 silos built out that quickly.
Wow, got it. And their overview screen here has the silo, the category, the supporting articles with the most profit and money in the keywords.
Yep.
Just waiting.
Now, we're going to talk about synonyms for a minute. How to lose weight, right? In order to get keyword diversity on your inbound links, there's a great thing that you can do. You can add synonyms, and right underneath that, you can add supporting terms. And what that does is it tells Domain Web Studio, hey, I'm not just talking about this keyword on this page. I'm also talking about these other keywords. So in that way, you can flesh out your entire blueprint. You can add synonyms and supporting keywords to whatever pages you want. And now we're ready to actually progress to making our website. We're here where you can mark everything for publishing. We click it all. We click Approve for Publishing. You're going to see the little worlds pop up there in that column.
If the world's there, then it's ready to publish.
Exactly. Okay. Now we're going to go make a blog. Just quick.
Really?
Like
we're already ready to make a blog after the silo?
We're ready to make a blog. So this is a blog that I have. It's strict vanilla. It's just like how it comes out of WordPress with the plastic wrap still on it. I'm going to go change the permalinks. That's one of the things that you have to do manually.
Yep.
I like to, you have to make it categories/post name if you're going to have a good silo structure.
Correct.
All right, save those changes. And I want to go install. Oh, I'm going to go first take all the widgets out of the sidebar.
And this works with any theme, right?
Pretty much.
90% of them?
Yeah, I would say. We tested a whole bunch of themes, and they were all good, unless you've got something that really wants to control the screen, like some kind of a flash something or another.
Okay. All right.
So you can see we've cleared out the sidebar.
Widgets are gone.
Yep. And now we can go. This is what our site's going to look like. Okay. This is what we're going to get ready to import at this point.
From the blueprint.
But first I need my plugin.
Excellent. So we provide the plugin for all users.
Yep.
That's great. Wow, incredible. Straight to plugin. All that advanced research used to take us years to do that.
Exactly.
A whole month to build a site like that in the 90s and early 2000s. Okay. Downloading the plugin.
Yep.
Okay. Just install it like any other WordPress plugin.
Exactly.
Okay. No problem in uploading it through the WordPress configuration, right?
Nope. Okay. None whatsoever.
Excellent.
Just got to find it here in the menu bar.
Yep. All right. And then you upload it from your desktop or wherever you have your plugin folders.
Wherever I downloaded it into, exactly.
There it is. I see it. Looks like you've been working.
Have to do something when I drink all this coffee.
Yep. Okay.
All right. So we're going to install the plugin, activate the plugin now that it's installed, and now we're ready to go back to Domain Web Studio and grab the export.
Okay. Interesting. So then you're going to download on the XML area.
Yep.
Onto the desktop.
Yep. You see across the top there. I'm just following along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's a step-by-step process, folks. Here, so easy a caveman can do it. If I can do it, you can definitely do it.
And I just watched you do it a few minutes ago.
Amazing, huh? I'm not just a mere marketer.
All right, so there's a couple of options here under the silo builder. One of them settings, where you can adjust what the names of the columns are going to be.
Okay.
We have a whole series of videos that get into all the little nuances.
There's a help file video series right in here.
Yep.
Okay. Now you're just grabbing the actual...
The XML that I exported a few minutes ago.
From DWS.
Yes. Going to import that bad boy, and poof!
It's already published. That's already on the blog if we go look at it. Refresh.
Refresh the blog.
Boom. Silo site. Done.
There you go.
Holy mackerel.
Just add content.
Not only that, because you use the upstream service, DWS, it's got the best, most profitable keywords you could possibly imagine, all ready to create headlines and painkiller article methods, which we teach inside our members area.
Exactly.
Bye.